So in this Zillow tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to search up houses for sale here on Zillow. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up Zillow. Now, what I want you to do next is actually go to the top right corner right here to where the filters button is. So for me, it actually says the number 1 icon right there, right below where your battery is. Simply go ahead and press on that. Then where it says filters, for me it actually does have for sale listed as a filter, but for example it could say for rent. Make sure if you go to the far left here and press on for sale, make sure that is highlighted. And if you go to the list price, you can make the list price whatever you want. You can go $400,000 or less. You can make the price any, it doesn't really matter. Then you can press on search results right here, and then it'll find your results here for houses for sale here on Zillow. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can search up houses for sale on Zillow. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.